water in the other bowl, this bowl over here. Thank you. Put the measuring cup down. Pour the oil in there. Get on you. And there. Okay. Egg time.
Egg time.
Crack it and put it in here. Harder than that. You crack it. There you go. Down there. Thank you. No, remember you don't leave the shell in there. Take the shell out. Let's try that again. Okay. Now listen. Watch mommy, okay? Take the egg. Now you carefully use 2 hands and pull it apart. There you go. Much better. Now put it in there. 1. Wipe your hands off.
There's no one.
Yep. There you go. Very good. 2.
There's no one.
3. Very good.
There's no one.
Ah! See, now you gotta use 2 hands. You got shell in there. Hold on. Yeah, let's try that again. See your hands. Okay, now hold it. Then 2 hands to break it apart. Very good. In there. 1. Okay, then 2 hands. Good job. Hold on, let me get that. I think you only got 1 shell in there that time. Nope, let's try that again. It'd be fun if it was just 1 piece of shell, but they're like these little tiny itty bitty pieces of shell in
Shell
there.
shrapnel.
Yeah.
There's no one.
Wipe your hands off.
There's no egg.
Alright. Now, 1 hand. And carefully. Hey! Put it in the bowl. 2.
There's no one.
Last egg. Oh!
Ew.
Don't touch.
Courtney, don't eat it.
Don't touch.
What's that?
Is the egg. Ah!
Oh, Courtney.
No.
Thank you for trying to help.
Thank you. Oh.
Just get 1 more egg in there and end this.
But do not egg.
Don't touch your face with your hands, Courtney.
But do not egg.
We easily went through a dozen eggs this time. Alright, careful. Smack. Oh. Alright. 3. Yay!
Well done. Go wash up. Yay!
I don't know what.
No more eggs.
No.